Hi everyone, it's Femi here, and in today's video, I want to address something that has been bothering me for a very long time. Now you see, every day I see different posts on social media deceiving people about trading, and people are actually falling for it. Now you see, crypto is actually a genuinely powerful space, but it is actually wrapped in so much noise and misinformation that most people can't even tell what is real anymore. So in this video, I'm going to go through all of that. We are covering the 10 crypto trading myths that are keeping you broke as a trader. And I'll tell you exactly why each one is wrong and what you should be thinking instead. So without wasting your time, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's go straight to the point. Now, myth number one is trading is easy money. Now you see, there are actually times where you take a trade and in less than 1 hour or even in 30 minutes, it goes according to your plan and you make money. Now that does not mean that this will continue to happen every single time. That is one mistake a lot of beginners are actually making. You think because you made money easily from one trade, then all subsequent trades should be like that. No, that is not how trading works. You see, even in my own Signal group, we have days where all our targets get hit in under 30 minutes or 1 hour. Those days actually exist. Now, what also exists is that your trades can actually take up to 6 hours, 12 hours, or even 1 day to play out. And there are times where the market just wouldn't play according to your plan or your strategy or your analysis. So it is never easy money. Crypto trading is never easy money. The version of trading that you people see on the internet is probably to deceive you. That is just it. And not a lot of traders will come out to post their losses. So for example, this year I decided to start posting my trades at the end of every week, and I don't just post my wins, I post my losses too. I post all my trades. You can check it on my YouTube channel, my Telegram, and also my Instagram page. I post them right there. So if you are coming into crypto trading expecting it to be easy money, then you'll be disappointed quickly. But if you are willing to learn and put in the time, then there's money to be made in crypto trading. By the way, if you want to join my premium Signal group, the link to join will be in the description below. If you want to get my crypto trading course too, the link is also in the description below. Now, myth number two is you have to watch the chart every minute or every second. Now you see, the traders who actually check their phones every 2 minutes when they take a trade, they're actually anxious. Most of them are not even profitable. I've gotten to a stage now where I just enter a trade, I set my stop loss, my take profit, and I just forget about it. It is because I am now an experienced trader. You see, when you are constantly watching maybe prices go up and down, your emotions start doing the trading instead of your own strategy. You can even close a winning trade very early because you are worried it will reverse or go to your stop loss. Or you might even go ahead and widen your stop loss because you can't stand the idea of being stopped out of your trade. Or maybe you just even enter a trade that doesn't meet your setup. You see, all of these things will continue to make you broke as a trader. So what you actually need is a good structure and a good trading strategy. All you need to know is to know the entry conditions your setup needs to meet before you enter a trade, and also a setup for your take profit or your stop loss. Then you let the trade run. Your job is not to supervise every candle move. Your job in trading is to make good decisions at important moments, and then you allow the market to do the rest. That is all. Now, myth number three is you need to trade every day to make money. Now, you see, the fact that someone told you that the only way to win at crypto is to be logged into the charts from morning till midnight, that person was wrong. That person will forever be wrong. Trading every day is actually one of the most demanding and emotionally exhausting ways to participate in the crypto market. And it is not even the most profitable part for most people. Honestly, trust me. So for example, if you have a job, or maybe you have commitment, or maybe you have a life that doesn't allow you to sit in front of your screen all day, you still have different options aside from sitting in front of your screen 24/7. So for example, there's swing trading, which lets you hold your positions over several days or weeks, and then you can check in without obsessing or being anxious. And aside from that, you can also go into long-term investing, where you just buy assets you believe in and then you let time do the work. There's also staking too, where you can actually earn passive income by just holding different cryptocurrencies. You also have bot trading, you have copy trading too. You see, all of these things help you to make money with crypto trading without trading every day, or even without you having to sit in front of your screen every minute or every second. So you see that there are different ways to make money with trading, and if you need videos on whether swing trading, trading boards, copy trading, or even staking, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I'll reply to your comment with the links to any of these videos. Now, myth number 4 is you need complex strategies to be profitable. Now you see, complexity won't make you money. It doesn't make you money at all. I've seen different traders with multiple indicators on their chart. They have different technical tools on their chart. You just see their chart just disorganized and you're wondering what they are doing. It just means that they are just wasting time, or they are just spending hours backtesting systems that won't work out at all. And all of this will still help you make losses. So it's not about you having different tools on your chart or having 100 indicators on your chart. No, simpler setups are easier to execute consistently, and they're also easier for you to review and even improve on. So for example, my own trading strategy is simple. People who have taken my one-on-one coaching have seen my trading strategy. It is simple. You don't need any complex strategy to be profitable. And even in my one-on-one coaching, I give my step-by-step guide of my trading strategy. And if you want to get it, you can also register for my crypto trading course or for the one-on-one coaching. I'll put the links in the description below, or just ask me for the link in the comment section below. Now, myth number 5 is crypto trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, you see, I'm going to say this directly. You see, if someone is telling you that a specific coin or a specific cryptocurrency will multiply your money 10 or 100 times in a short period of time, then they're either uninformed or the person is just trying to take your money. Those are the only two options right there. And for every person who got lucky on a new coin, you need to know that there are thousands of people that you never hear about who lost their savings doing the same thing. Now you see, all of these things connect to something else I see constantly, which is traders are chasing absurd risk to reward setups because they are waiting for a single massive trade to change their life. Some people are actually risking all of their money on just one single trade to change their life. You see, that kind of thinking, it makes you reckless. You can take bad entries. It makes you to hold your losing positions for too long, and you even ignore your stop losses because you will think, oh, it will come back. You see, all of these things can help you to become broke and broke and broke as a trader. But one thing you people don't know is that real profitability is boring. It is small but consistent wins. It's all about protecting your capital on bad days. It's about you treating every trade the same way, regardless of how exciting the setup looks. So no, crypto trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, myth number 6 is you need a lot of capital to start. You see, right now, many crypto platforms will even let you open a position with as little as $10. Yes, and the barrier to entry is genuinely low. But you know, beyond the money question, there's something more important. The early stage of your trading journey is about building skill, not about building profit or making money. And if you put a large amount of money before you understand what you are doing, you are not investing, you are just wasting your money. And that is why I will always tell you people or say that you should start with what you can afford to lose while you are learning, because you are using that period to understand your strategy, to track your results, and also to identify the patterns in how you can make money and also lose money. And when your decision making is now consistent and you are now good with your risk management, then it is very easy for you to scale up. And that is when I can now advise you to use crypto prop firms out there, which is actually cheaper for you, especially if you have a very low amount of money and you are looking to scale your trading journey. Now, before I go with this video, if you're a crypto trader who is looking to become profitable through crypto prop firms, then you need to listen to this. Now, you see, one of the biggest problems I see with traders trying to get funded is that they pick a prop firm blindly. Maybe they saw one influencer talk about a prop firm, or maybe they just went with a random prop firm because they saw a flashy advertisement about it. And then they go ahead to pay for a challenge on that prop firm, they fail, and then they realize that the prop firm rules didn't even make any sense. Or maybe they even pass the challenge and get funded, but they can't request for a payout. Now, all this can happen to you or to anybody if you don't do proper research before picking a very good prop firm to use. And that is where Prop Firm Match comes in. Now, in case you don't know, Prop Firm Match is basically a comparison platform specifically for prop firms, whether a crypto prop firm, forex prop firm, or futures prop firm. Now, on this platform, you can see side-by-side breakdowns of challenge fees, profit split, drawdown rules, payout speeds, and even trader reviews about any prop firm all in one place. So instead of doing hours of research across 10 different websites, you just go on the prop frame match website, check different prop frames, see their rules, their pricing, and most importantly, their reviews. So it makes it easy for you to pick a prop frame that aligns with your own strategy. So if you want to check out this prop frame match website, click on the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video and go ahead and create an account on prop frame match and let me know what you think about the website. Now let's go on with the video. Now myth number 7 is that following rich traders guarantees profits. Now you see, this one might sound reasonable on the surface, just find someone that is good at this and do what they do, but it actually breaks down almost immediately when you start practicing. Now let me give you an example. Let's say for example you have a very rich trader who has 200k capital and you just have just $500. Now a trader with 200k in capital approaches a position completely differently from someone trading with $500. You see, their stop losses will be different, their position sizes will be different, their ability to absorb a loss without panic will also be different. So when you copy a trade without understanding the reasoning behind that trade, you don't even know when to hold, you won't even know when to exit early, or even when the original trader has changed their mind or closed their position without telling anybody. So you see, copy trading should actually serve as a learning tool. Don't substitute it for developing your own judgment. The goal should always be to build your own trading skills and don't permanently outsource your decisions to someone else. It is very, very bad. Now myth number 8 is you only need technical analysis. Now you see, I'm a big advocate for learning technical analysis. If you want to trade, you need to understand how to read chart. That is not negotiable. But you see, charts only tell you what price has done and what patterns are forming. They don't tell you why something is about to move. So for example, consider what happened in various market cycles. So for example, you can consider regulatory announcement that can send prices crashing regardless of what the chart looked like. Another one, you can have a major arc that can wipe out billions of the market in hours. You also have interest rate decisions by central banks that can shift the risk appetite globally, especially in crypto. So you see that none of that shows up in your RSI or your technical indicator or your technical analysis. It doesn't show up before it happens. The traders who last are the ones who read charts and the ones who pay attention and even the ones who understand the fundamentals of what they are trading. So technical analysis is not the only thing you need, please. Now myth number 9 is that losses mean you are a bad trader. Now you see, every single profitable trader that you've ever heard of or that they take losses. Not occasionally, regularly. They regularly take losses and it is built into the nature of the crypto market. Now what those traders have that strongly traders don't have is a framework that makes losing trades manageable. Now they don't size into positions so heavily that one bad trade wipes out a month of their profit. They respect their stop losses and they also treat every loss as a lesson, not as a personal failure. Every loss is a lesson for you in trading. And personally for me, the target is a win rate above 60% with a risk to reward ratio of at least 1:1.5 or 1:2. So that means that I can afford to lose 4 or 5 out of every 10 trades I take and still come out profitable. And just to be clear, you will never find a way to remove risk from trading entirely. Anyone claiming otherwise or telling you that, oh, you can trade without losing money at all, that person is lying. You see, market moves in ways that no analysis can fully predict. So your only defense against that is to actually be consistent with your risk management. I hope you get it. Now, myth number 10 is crypto is a scam. Now, you see, one thing a lot of people don't know is that every industry has bad actors. Even the banking sector, traditional investing, real estate, different sectors, they all have bad actors. And the same one applies to crypto. You see, what makes Bitcoin and Ethereum different from a scam project is transparency. You see, every transaction on a blockchain is publicly recorded and it's also verifiable. You don't need to trust any company or any person. The technology itself is the record. Now, you see, where crypto gets a bad name or becomes a scam or fraud is when people put money into random projects without understanding what they are investing in. And once they lose everything, they now say, oh, crypto is a scam, this is a fraud, and so on and so forth. That is not crypto failing them. That is the cost of you skipping due diligence or doing your own research by yourself. And that rule applies here in crypto just like it applies anywhere else. So that is my list for this video, the 10 crypto trading myths that are keeping you broke as a trader. Now, if you still believe in any of these myths, then you can never be profitable. That's just the truth. So make sure you watch this video very well and and learn from all of these things I've explained. Now, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please leave a comment below if something from this video resonated with you or if you have any question at all. And again, if you want to get my crypto trading course or you want to join my premium signal group, the links will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.